Hello everyone, my name is Harshita Sonia. Today we will continue our end sem solution playlist. So the question number 6 is how are missing values handled? Suggest three approaches. Missing values mean that some entries in the dataset are blank, unknown, or not recorded. Handling them is important because machine learning models cannot work properly with incomplete data. Below are three common approaches. First is deletion method. We remove rows or columns that have missing values. Types are listwise deletion and column deletion. In listwise deletion, we remove the entire row with any missing values, but in column deletion, we remove the feature if most values are missing. It is best used when missing data is very small, less than 5%. Removing rows does not affect the data size. Example, out of 1000 rows, only 5 rows have missing age values. Then we can remove them. The second method is imputation method. Here we replace missing values with some calculated value. Common imputation techniques are median and mean imputation. Here we replace the missing age with the average age. Next is mode imputation. Here we replace the missing gender with the most common gender. Next is KNN imputation. Here we use similar data points to predict the missing values. It is best used when you want to keep all the records. Missing data is moderate. Third one is using predictive models to fill missing values. What it is? Use ML algorithms to predict the missing value. Example, use regression to predict the missing numerical values. Use classification to predict the missing categories. Best used when missing data is large, the feature is important and cannot be removed. It requires more time computation. Examples, predict missing house prices using other variables like area, location, and number of rooms. Question number 6, part B. Explain the logistic regression and use the logistic functions to calculate the probability of a class for a given input. Example. Logistic regression is a supervised machine learning algorithm used for binary classification where the output has only two classes, such as spam, not spam, disease, no disease, pass, fail. Unlike linear regression, logistic regression predicts the probability data data point belongs to a particular class. Logistic function. Logistic regression uses the sigmoid function to convert a linear equation into a probability between 0 and 1. Here is the formula where z is equal to b0 plus b1 x1 plus b2 x2 till the nth value. Output, if probability is greater than or equal to 0. 0.5, then the class belongs to 1. If the probability is less than 0. 0.5, then the class belongs to 0. Example, compute probability using logistic function. Suppose we have a logistic regression model. Z is equal to minus 4 plus 0.05x, where x is equal to number of study hours. Output class is pass or fail. Given input x is equal to 60 hours. In step 1, we will compute the linear value. Here we have calculated rz, that is minus 1. Step 2, apply logistic function. Here is the formulas in which we are putting the value of z. So the probability is 0.2689. Now the step is interpretation. P is equals to 0.27. This means a student who studies 60 hours has a 27% of chance passing based on logistic model. If threshold is equals to 0.5, model will predict fail. Thank you so much.